Good morning, everyone. Today is a very auspicious and very exciting day. This day will go down to the history. So I am going to move down the Senapati to witness the reception, the civic reception of the Muivah Ato Kilonser. So let's go and have witness. Let's go and join the program along with me. And yeah, let's go and see. So we'll be going along with the students. Don't know how it will turn out, but let's go and take it out and have a very historic day together. See you. Let's go. This video also will go down the history. Not only today's reception. All the transportation arrived. Bus is already here. Naga Here, cái tầm nào bình Ngalim lấy ra chụp vào thôi. True, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. We are also going down. All the students are moving out. The buses are getting ready. When you start moving out, this is all our students. Guys, we are also moving out. We have reached Don Bosco College Maram. All the students have moved out. We will go and meet Abakar. Come on. The civic reception in Northeast Muivah Ato Kilonser. Chứ student mềm sẽ đặt vào đây mềm thorang đập vào đây. Ở phòng this is the ground. This is the ground. Ai khơi sôi dầu kề. Jadi singa si tas sungai ko si ground ni tapam khay ni si dipam sen. Say hi. Manoj. Ebidir ka? Kasi oja bing ni pam sen le si tas sungai. Abakar le lensa hay đấy, le lensa hay thầy ở chăng? Helicopter ra cái đấy để si để ngarai hay đó. Kuknalim. Thực sự hao ra đây mga bác yên sẽ. All the students are already catered here. Civic tầm nào thì trong xe đấy. Vì tung bạc lại ta tập bấm xe hay đấy. Rồi rồi.
Our people, bringing the nation and securing our identity with dignity. To witness him in our midst is a privilege beyond measure. God truly has been gracious to Nagas for blessing our reverend leader. Standing united, 100,000 strong, united in heart, spirit, and purpose, from near and far.
Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. The camera is on.
I look so green, no?
Sir,
Yeah, break down your outfit.
sir.
Sorry, Joe.
Miss Section E. Chú VIP datang aku amakir. Flag. Kuknalim.
I would like to request the quote. In the meantime, I would like to make sure everyone for their own.
Datang memanhai reji arrived.
By courtesy of the Tribal President, subordinate and associate president, and the
They're going to unveil this stone.
On behalf of the TWC, your cooperation in upholding the dignity of the history will be deeply
play. Beautiful.
My phone get it. Our villagers.
Ama kertara tali. Oh. Có nang rai là cái anh phải là cái nào mà khởi đi xăm phẳng khủy vậy ngày xưa được gì
Requesting all our delegates attendees to kindly remain standing. We are honored of our enter the stadium.
Get the man.
I request all attendees to kindly raise your Naga national flag. Long live Ngalim!
Good morning, Hon'ble. Let us thank God for this beautiful day.
This gathering of your people be with us, Lord. Make today's gathering a sacrament of unity. Love.
Okay, hello. So as you have seen, there are so many people, coming together to witness the civic reception of the Muivah Ato Kilonser. So we are all here. The Paimni me chung haradle. Then it bring Palagana Mahalakina witness sadly. Kala in Palagana Ratsang programs in Gam there in Atungnika like I don't in the Delta clips now, the Delta Gakui, the Gayang, the Sanisa. The building at Dunwin. Then all the surroundings ground along the Puiser, how the Shimguimara, the Latuna, Dunni Pomaga. We are no in a go, you must have the in a Pomaga. Ying Naraga, out 6 ago. And I don't Matang Utsara Gekra. Crown in Ngalim, he cut the Shimdung, meaning a thing or how the Shimdung the Gala from the Lenita heat. That are all surrounding concert. Mangali programs in Garley, no? The Jackie that Pui, the upon the only Civic concert. How is it? Start it, you know, see. He got the car like he in a car, the video car block. He and you say hi. How is it?
It's very nice, amazing. Lots of people gather here, so
we are having a good time. Okay, I think we'll move down now and go and see the public again.
During the IT, they rally to sponsor my birthday. The names of the students made supreme sacrifice were Oloshu, the second year from Ngalim and his Lily Chakro, the second year student of St. Joseph Evening College, Bangalore, from Ngalim. May the younger generation inspired by their ultimate sacrifices.
Government of the People, Republic of Ngalim, and the Chief Negotiator of nscn, National Socialist Council of Ngalim, at the Hamjam Senapati on 29th October 2025, solemnly declared the following for securing the historical and political rights of the Nagas. That we reaffirm our resolute mandate placed upon the collective leadership of nscn GPRN to represent the interests and rights of the Naga. Our declared stance for an inclusive the Indo-Naga political issue based on the framework agreement signed between the Government of India and the National Socialist Council of Ngalim on August 3, 2015. That Kuknalim! Thank you. Signed by official of UNC and some Naga Women Union, Naga People Movement.
Assam Naga Choir for the beautiful. This will be taken up by our Honorable Emissary to the.
I'm most certain that this will be the first occasion for many to see you in person, although they may have seen you in photos and in news. Thank you once again, sir, for this privilege. I, on behalf of to the Nagas of Manipur in particular, and to all the Nagas.
Thank you everyone so much. Our program is over. We will be moving out from here. It is a great opportunity and privilege to have
Ladies and gentlemen,
witnessed
may I
this
have your
amazing
attention?
program of
Volunteers are hereby
the civic
together inside
reception of
the
the
ground,
Muiva.
inside the arena.
Thank you everyone
Once
for
again,
watching,
volunteers
and see you
are
again in the
hereby
next video.
asked together inside the ground.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Kuknalim.
Important announcement.